Here's one of the coolest, most dependable and economical hatchbacks on the market. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, Alabama. Today I'd like to show you this really sharp 2023 Nissan Kicks SV. Your SV is your mid-level package, which gives you the most bang for the buck. Around back, rear park assist sensors, lots and lots of cargo room. Backup camera, rear wiper. Beautiful 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Firestone tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to dual USB charging ports in the back of the center console. It's fresh powder with color keyed door handles, roof rack, color keyed mirror caps. Just as clean inside as it is out. Forward collision sensor right in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry, bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning. That also includes rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise. Only 32,000 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, backup camera, heating and air controls, more USB ports, electronic parking brake, push button start, console shifter, keyless entry key fob including remote start, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Kicks SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.